Okay, got another day here. Today's Wednesday. In case we get disconnected with the videos that are coming out. Yesterday I reviewed that salt spoon and bowl. Today I had different plans on what I was going to review or do. But I got a surprise in the mail. I had ordered a whole bunch of K9 crystals from China. Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, of course. And the plan was to, of course, use these for inner engraving for my xTool F2 Ultra UV. So, of course, using my handy dandy UV light and testing them first. They've already been tested. I got a stack, and over this side is a stack of the ones that passed the test. Over on this side is the stack that failed. The stack that failed was big. It was 27, including 100%, aka 20 of these, which are 40 by 40 by 60. So those of you know how to do the test. I don't know if this is going to show up. Lights up like, as my man said, like a tesseract. Look at that. Look at that. So at this point, hopefully I can do this. Put this in there because I'm probably going to edit this myself. I decided to go one step further. And I decided to try to laser it. Or enter engrave it. Guess what? It didn't enter engrave. Now I did order these 60 by 60 by, I think they're, 180, whatever. No, I think they're 100. These things are big. These 100% of, 100%. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. They passed the test. Now I don't know what you want to call them now, standards, the 50 by 50 by 80s, had a fairly decent result on them, fairly decent. So I got, let me countify here, so 9, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 of them were good and 7 were bad. I think I ordered 30 total and 7 were bad. So here's one of the bad ones. What? I didn't do it. No. What the? Oh, that passes. That is not a tesseract. Now I got, see, my son did these. Oh, kids these days. Kids, hold on, let me test another one. Okay, there's a tesseract. Now I can't even trust my boy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now I got to test them all myself. Bad video now. Look at this. What's up with this boy? That's good. I'm putting dispersions upon this here. I got to test them all myself now. Okay, bad. I need to, man, if he wasn't bigger than me, I'd bring his ass down here and beat the bad. I got to do them all again. I trusted him. Okay, so 2 were good. How do you miss this? Look at that. That's good. I would have thrown these damn things away. Now I got to go through everything. Oh, you boy, you. Hold on, let me see here. Fortunately, I can mass do them. Y'all ain't saying this. I'm doing little small ones. Let's mass do these. Well, he was right on the. How did he miss these 2? How did he miss these 2? Okay. I mean, just these kids. These damn kids. He ain't a kid. He older damn enough. So anyway, I got these here too. Then I didn't even think about the problem. How am I going to laser it? But of course you're going to say from the top like all the rest. I don't know. I don't think that it's going to be a 1.5. You can see it's not as clear. At least, yeah, no, it is not as clear. So I don't know if I got to use a 2.0 or what, but these pass. And I got these hearts. I could have sworn I got something else, like 10 hearts and 10 of the, the ones that are little squares. So I got to go check that boy's work. Just because he did that, I got to check all his work. Yeah, these pass. Or at least he said they pass. Boy. Okay. Just the fact, I could have thrown these away and they work. But anyway, other part of this is they came around 1 p.m. yesterday. Right now as I record, this is 8 a.m. the following day. I immediately opened them. I'm like, well, I'll wait till tomorrow to do something because I wanted to do this video and do it live. No, is it live or is it Memorex? Matter of fact, I just got off the phone, just got off the phone with my coach. I was telling him a promotion I had using the old Memorex thing. Anyway, or her. I think I said I was going to put in and show it that it didn't. Man, I can't believe he did that. But at least I got 2 more crystals. Anyway, going on with the story. I woke up this morning. I wake up like usually 4-8. I actually wake up before then. I don't get much sleep. People don't know why combat veterans don't sleep much. I don't know why. I normally get up at 4 a.m. to take my supplements to work out. Then at 5, I usually go to work out. I go sit down and I start going through my stuff. And I'm going through my emails. And at 1 a.m., there's an email from Alibaba and the 40 thieves. And they're going like, oh, we show you got the delivery yesterday. And since you haven't requested a refund, we consider it good and accepted. Thanks a lot. Now, I received 60 total items. How many people? Now, that was a 12-hour period. Would have the time to receive the package, if they were home, open it, and if this test hadn't come out, thank you, my man, EPB man, I believe it's, EBP, EPB man, had come up with this test, would not have been able to have a good test. By the way, this test works because it did not engrave. You're going to hopefully see that. And I did take one of the ones that passed and engraved it. So, yeah, test works. So anyway, I am going to put the name of the company that I got it from. So you'll know. I now changed that from 7 out of the, what's this, 40 or something. Let me count them again. 1 got used. So this is 18. Looks like about 30. So 5 out of 30 didn't work. Still not sure about the quality of the inner engraving because I used a different photo than I normally would, or I went to Cockpit 3D. I used something different than I did in the past because I did, and with different playing around with different settings, and so I can't compare the quality to the ones I got from xTool. Now there is one thing. Now when I got these, the reason I got little smaller ones is I got these to test my settings. The entire purpose of these was to test my settings. That was 1. And 2 was to make little bitty tchotchkes for people. Because it's like, hey, this is like nothing. I'll make little tchotchkes with this and give them out to people. That was my purpose. Make little tchotchkes and give them out. Because they're small, easy, quick little thing. Boop, boop, here you go. That's the purpose of these. And to test my settings and get them really, really dialed in because I got 20 of them. I figured by the time I got through 10, I'd have some good settings and I'd be cool there. But here's the thing. I realized when I took one of the ones that, I cannot believe that boy. When I got one of these up there to test it out, so I said, okay, I took the xTool one, converted the picture, and it's like, This ain't as good as Cockpit. Let me go convert it in Cockpit and use up some of my credits. Converted it. Let me go grab another one. And then I went, I would never give this away. I'd never sell it because it doesn't look as good. Cockpit, I would give away. I'm not in the business of selling these, but if I were selling, I would sell that. Then I went, oh, wait a minute. I'm wasting crystal because I put it in the middle. I said, why don't I just put it up front? It came out okay. I was using completely different settings because I'm just messing around. Came out better, of course. It was Cockpit. Then I came up with something that I'd never thought about. And I'm going to put it here, and it's probably going to be, I'm going to have to make another video for y'all, okay? We've been engraving like this, right? I'm going to try this. We engrave like this. Now, at this point, you're going like, huh? What? Here's the thing. If you're trying to dial in your settings, now I've seen somebody say, okay, you can engrave on all 6 sides and test your settings. You can look here, look here, look here. Okay, check this out. If you engrave here, like use your if you get Cockpit, engrave here, right near the edge. You got enough space to engrave here. Now this is 80 long. They can only do 70. These two will take up about 10. Have them kind of opposite. Then you can see if it looks, because remember, it's going to be this way. You can see it from this way. Then you turn it around and you engrave going this way doing the settings. Yeah, it's not going to look pretty, but you can look down the little barrel here and kind of see what it looks like. Now, I may be wrong, but I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to test it out, sacrifice a crystal or two, because now that I have 2 more that work, and I did, oh, I put it back on here. I still want to keep it off because he originally, I need to get in that boy's head. I'm going to sacrifice these 2 here. After I get it in his head, figure out what the hell went on. And you can now dial in your settings because, you know, the xTool settings are just a little too light. So I can set in, because it sets it with the things at like 200, I'll just call it DPI, whatever. So I can do 200, 250, 350 on down. And then I can do, and that's at 80%. I can do 85. And I can do 2 of them, and I can get in some fairly good settings that dials it in for Cockpit. Because it always sets it for the same. 60 for the frequency, 200, 80% power. I can now dial in the settings that's going to, in my opinion, look best for me. Because if I tried 100% and like 600 for grins and giggles, it didn't crack or anything, but it kind of crystallized it inside, and it looked okay, but it didn't look great. And that's why I was thinking about that. And with the cost, now that I have 2 more, and I applied for a refund, even though they sent me that BS letter at 1 a.m., 12 hours after they were delivered. Hopefully they'll give me the refund for these. It'll drop my cost per down to under, for these, down to like $4 or $5 each. Not even, I think like $4 each. So I can sacrifice some, then I'll find another supplier. There is no way I'm going to use them again. Unless I get my money back, then I may risk it. It took, just for reference, it took 4.5 weeks for these to get here. Just for reference. And that's it.